derived from the name Hassan or Hashassin, the Muslim cult leader who fed his disciples a preparation made from the resin of a female hemp plant as a reward for their successful activities in assassinations. A. Opium. B. Hashish. C. Marijuana. D. Heroin. Answer B. Hashish. What is the term used to describe the intoxicating effect of a drug in the lingo of the drug users? A. Stoned. B. Rush. C. High. D. Trip. Answer A. Stoned. The drug heroin was a chemically synthesized of A. Morphine. B. Opium juice. C. Codeine. D. Coca paste. Answer A. Morphine. What group of countries were the first important drug traffic route was organized from discovery up to marketing? A. Peru, Uruguay, Panama, Colombia. B. The Golden Triangle. C. Middle East, Europe, US. D. The Golden Crescent. Answer C. Middle East, Europe, US. What part of the globe is the principal source of all forms of cocaine? A. Southeast Asia. B. South America. C. Middle East. D. Southwest Asia. Answer B. South America. The Golden Triangle is for the Chinese Triad. Colombia and Peru is for A. La Cosa Nostra. B. Comora. C. Medellin Cartel. D. Yakuza. Answer C. Medellin Cartel. The drug addict who shows so many tracks from injection of hypodermic needles is mostly addicted to A. Liquid amphetamine. B. Heroin. C. Shabu. D. Freebase cocaine. Answer A. Liquid amphetamine. Are those crimes committed against individuals, particularly against their chastity, but which do not produce danger or prejudice common to other members of society? A. Private crimes. B. Public crimes. C. Felony. D. Infractions. Answer A. Private crimes. Are those acts and omissions committed not only by means of deceit, but also by means of fault and are punishable by law? A. Justifying circumstances. B. Felonies. C. Exempting circumstances. D. Attempted felonies. Answer B. Felonies. Is committed whenever the offender commences the commission of a crime directly by overt acts, but does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony as a consequence, by reason of some cause or accident other than his own spontaneous desistance. A. Frustrated felony. B. Attempted felony. C. Consummated felony. D. Felony. Answer B. Attempted felony.